Did you know that 88% of paper business cards get thrown away within the first week? I bet you experienced this by yourself. They get lost, they get forgotten, or they simply get out of date. Professionals today connect through LinkedIn, email, video calls, and different events. That's why exchanging contacts should also be fast and digital. This is exactly what MySignature digital business card feature provides. A digital business card is a modern version of a traditional one, but instead of handing someone a piece of paper, you share a digital profile which includes your personal information, your contact data, links to social media, company information, or even a link to an instant meeting. Everything you want to share under one link. And the best part? It's always up to date and ready to share in seconds. Creating your digital business card with MySignature is really easy. If you already have an email signature created on the platform, your digital business card will be automatically generated for you. Of course, you can also further customize it or even create one from scratch. And in just a few steps, you have a clean, professional digital business card ready to go. Now comes the best part, sharing it. And here you have a few options. You can share a QR code, which is really handy for events or in-person meetings. You can share a link through Messenger or email. Then you can also add it to Google Wallet or Apple Wallet and have your digital business card always on your phone. And the last one, you can embed it to your email signature. Another big advantage is that your business card is always up to date. If you change your job title, company, or phone number, everyone who has saved your details before will always access only the latest version of it. In case of paper business cards, you will have to reprint them and start handing them over again. With digital business cards, sharing contacts works both ways. When someone opens your card, they can automatically share their contact information with you. This way, networking automatically becomes lead generation, and instead of stacking business cards, you get all your new contacts organized digitally. As you can see, MySignature digital business card is a powerful upgrade to your networking. Whether you are on an event, on a call, or sending emails, you have an up-to-date business card ready to share. For more information, go to mysignature.io and check our other videos.